Donji.
Hey, Papa. Where are we now?
We are still in Berlin, this time more in the center.
Yeah?
We are about to enter an old Berlin style restaurant called Nante Egg, which we chose online.
Yeah, on our back. Look.
There it is.
And us.
And we see what's typical Berlin food.
Okay. Hopefully it's very tasty, yeah.
Yeah, I heard they have cat burgers.
Cat burgers? That's me, Papa! No!
We will see.
Okay, see ya! Bye. So, this is the menu. They have this menu, the hot pepper and with pepper like this. Japanese pepper. It's very cool. I'm gonna take the special Berliner from Berlin. Yeah, they said like that. I don't know. I don't know if it's real or not. This one. Berliner Bule. Okay. So the meatball with green beans and fried potatoes. 11 € and 50 cents.
Exactly.
On my honey bunny.
I'm gonna take the slices of pork fillet with mushrooms, onions and mashed potatoes. Called Nantes filet top. This is this one. And I have a Berliner beer already.
Berliner beer. Oh yeah.
Standard smooth. The bear.
Yeah, the bear. You have to take a picture. Right?
Yeah.
Is it in the outside? Because yeah, it's
Still
quite
warm today. It's quite cool. Don't you eat?
What do you eat?
I have the pork fillet with the mushrooms and the cream sauce. Here is the potato mash. It's really tasty. It is.
It is? I want to eat as well, but I cannot.
Yeah, I'm sorry for you.
Okay, good appetit, Papa.
So, what do you have?
I have Berliner Bule. It's like meatball, typisch from Berlin. I want to try a little bit with green beans. Tastes really good. With a little bit sauce. I don't know what kind of sauce is that.
Greasy sauce. And what else?
And potatoes.
And beans. Bon appetit.
You have to try it if you are in Berlin. So, Papa?
So, Donji?
How was your food there?
Very tasty and very rich, as it is typical in Berlin.
Okay.
So I'm really fulfilled.
Good. Mama? Yeah, Donji? How was your food there? Very tasty, delicious, lekker. So everybody has to come here, I think. Yeah, yeah, honey.
Yeah, I think so.
Try this restaurant. So why not? Yeah. What is the name again?
Nante egg.
Nante egg.
The Nante corner.
Yeah,